Thamaki igitua guthuka ri yambagiriria na mutwe. Leader wa majority wetagwo Duale na leader wa minority wetagwo John Mbadi nio mari andu mbere gukararia ripoti iriku iyo. Acio nio magokorwo mari mbere kwamba gucokia ciuria niki giatumire marege ripoti na ripoti iri njega. Tondu ni undu wa giconoko tuhuthirite mbeca nyingi cia muingi tukarehe ripoti njega ati gatuika ati ni kuregwo ati tondu minister ng'ania ni agwetwo. Minister ng'ania ni agwetwo ni mundu uriku president yetikiritie eke ungumania bururi uyu ne kuri gutire. Koguo ni tugukorwo kiumia giki kirathi na ni mukuona gutire mundu utaguthuthurio. Twambiriirie no cio ugwetwo Duale agoka John Mbadi na bunge ari othe aria mari bunge muthenya ucio.
I am not aware whether people were corrupted, but what I know is that as John Mbadi, even if you bring that report again with its pages from page 1 up to 62, the ones that I read, I would still not support that report. I am an experienced legislator. I know how committee reports are written, and I cannot pass a report that is useless. The report that was brought before us, I have no apologies over. That was a useless report that does not even deserve the paper it was written on. Those who are supporting that report have not even read it. I hear people say that we failed farmers. Tell me what was good for farmers in that report. What was good in it?